I also introducing this unicorn poppet bag combo with lot of new additions. Let me show you the products. This is poppet pouch cum sling bag with adjustable belt. Can be used as a sling, and if not, then as a pouch. One lead pencil, one spiral unicorn notebook with gold sheets inside, eraser, 3D pens for kids. This is a very useful art and craft item. Kids enjoy working with them. One unicorn clutcher, rainbow themed rubber bands, sparkle hairpins, comb mirror set. I will show you the product. Snap lock bottle, 500 ml, no leakage. Please note random colors will be there throughout the combo. One poppet keychain, any random shape theme can come. This is mirror comb set, one side mirror, one side comb, unicorn theme. And finally the bag, poppet bag with 3 zips, 1, 2 and 3, very good quality, 2 color combination bag. Poppets are real working poppets. We have 2 colors in this bag, one is pink and one is green. Both colors are beautiful. Details of the bag size and everything will be given in the description. Thank you.